जीसीएल क्रिकेट सर्तीचे फायनलीत इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशनान पोरूचे जैतिवंत रिलायन्साक 14 रन्सांनी मारून ह्या वर्साचे वस्तादपण जोडले. जीसीएलाची फायनल मॅच पर्वरी ग्राउंडार जाली. पयलीं बॅटिंग करतना इंडियन ऑयलान 205 रन्सांचे टार्गेट दवरिल्ले आनी 190चेरच रिलायन्साक आडायले. वस्ताद इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन टीमीक 15 लाखांचे कॅश इनाम फावो जालां.
Listen to the connection. Blasting his way in the offside and getting a beautiful boundary. Shot ball and pull. This time Francis Gap gets the boundary. Looking shot nice and straight down the ground. This time on the onside gets the boundary. Yes. A flashy beautiful this time.
This time he played well, lofted shot. It's huge for 6. And this time one more shot for 6 runs. It's huge. It's down over here. Straight on the ground. Towards long run. It's huge. Another 6.
What a catch! He has picked up a blinder! Oh boy! कड़ा प्रहार किया, उठा दिया. क्या ये 6 रन मिल सकते हैं? जी हाँ, मिड विकेट बाउंड्री लाइन के ऊपर से गेंद ने बल्ले का ऊपर ही किनारा लिया. जी हाँ, बढ़िया कैच, बेहतरीन, लाजवाब.
Oh, this time it's up in there. Someone should take this catch. Very good. Oh, this is good hit. Another one. This time the captain departs on the long ball. Catches, spins, splashes. Away strong. Damages the foundation. Another wicket goes down. The big putter. Away strong. He's ripping the best off. Congratulations, IOC. You're new. You're true. You're the champions of Goa Cricket League Edition 2. A big congratulations for you.
Indian Oil Corporation team has made into a huddle on the pitch and they are dancing in joy as they are the deserving champions of the second Goa Corporate League. IOC were the
Beautiful target, 15 lakhs.
गोंयभर शिगम्याचो सीझन सुरू. गांवागांवांनी रोमटा मेळ, शारांनी शिगम्याचो उत्सव आनी चित्ररथांच्यो मिरवणुको. देवाक नाल्ल दवरून नमन घालून ढोल ताशांचो आवाज घुमपाक लागला. बुधवारा वास्को जाल्ल्या शिगमोत्सवाची कांय खिणे चित्रां. इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.